Oh, he got off. No, he
No,
didn't.
he did.
So I got a fish?
Yeah, you got a fish, 100% a fish. Is it an edible fish?
I got a fish on the chatterbait, y'all. Oh my goodness. Look, look, look. Yeah, it's definitely an edible fish because I'm on 6-pound test.
Oh, yeah.
On a chatterbait, y'all. Scoop them. Ha 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 ha, on a chatterbait. Look, he's out on this side, yeah. Easy. Just grab him behind the head. Remember, the gill plates are sharp. Okay. Crunch.
Hey.
All right. All right, put this back there real quick. On a chatterbait. No, he's not going to be a keeper. On a chatterbait, y'all. But look, we had to get over here a little bit. You want to get a ruler measurement on him? 16 inches is probably what he is. He's got it right there, buddy. Oh, easy. I knew that was going to happen. Watch it. I know he'll stab you in your feet, man. Just measure him right there while he's laying there. He's slippery. What is he, 16?
18.
Nuh-uh.
He's right at 18, Jeff.
And we'll shove him all the way up in there and squeeze his tail. If he don't cross that line, we can't keep him. He's 17 inches.
I want a second opinion on that one. That is a hair over 18.
Throw him in the live well then.
It's a hair over 18.
Throw him in the live well.
I don't know.
Yeah, look at that.
18?
Do you want to risk that much?
18 is keeper.
Look, I want you to see this. Keep him up there.
Look,
Yeah,
he's
look,
his nose is touching. It's across that line.
Okay.
It's across that line.
I got him.
That's 18 inches.
That's 18 inches.
Wow. Put him in the live well.
That thing is slimy.
I said I got him 3 times.
That's all right.
And then you take him from me and drop him. Good job.
All right, put him in the live well, man. Watch it. Don't hit him in the face.
The wind is strong and it's hard to...
I caught an 18-inch puppy drum on a 1/4 ounce chatterbait on 6-pound test line. You got somebody? I got somebody. Another one on the chatterbait. Another strong dude on a chatterbait, y'all. Look at that.
Shouldn't have taken off my chatterbait.
You still have it though. That means you can put it back on. Get your head up. Hold your head up. Hi. Scoop him.
Green on his tail.
Blue.
Yeah. Yeah. Get that on camera.
The chatterbait, y'all. I love it. This guy's not going to quite be big enough, I don't believe.
Yeah,
Can I see the ruler? I know. I was definitely surprised. $16 3/4, almost 17 inches. Thank you, buddy. Awesome. I'm just gonna swim this rascal. That worked for the chatterbait. Do you see it try to take it out of my hand? He's not moving hardly. I loosened my drag a touch. It's either strong, it's just strong.
Oh my goodness.
Easy, 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 easy. He said, you're not getting away. I was swimming it.
That fish is what?
Yeah. recording. Oh. Easy.
Do it, 'cause I didn't. I had my hand on the wrong side.
Whoa. Alright. Wrapped all around them. You got them lassoed. Alright, that's number 3.
Is he big enough?
He's not, I'm sure he's not big enough.
Let's see what he is.
Yep. 16. You got his nose pointed out. There you go. 17 inches. Alright. Let him fly. Alright. See you, dude. Appreciate you.